Hello, thank you for joining me today. Welcome to this non-sleep deep rest session. Whether you're here to recharge, release tension, or simply enjoy a moment of deep relaxation, you've come to the right place. NSDR is a form of conscious relaxation that helps your body and mind rejuvenate, similar to deep rest without actually sleeping. So find a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Allow your body to settle and your mind to begin letting go of any distractions. Take a moment to adjust your posture, making sure you feel supported and at ease. You can sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor, or lie down if that feels more comfortable for you. Now close your eyes, or if you prefer, keep them gently lowered. We're going to begin a guided session that will help you rest deeply, even if you don't fall asleep. Let's start by bringing our awareness to the breath. Take a deep breath in, slowly filling your lungs, expanding your belly, and gently breathing in through your nose. Inhale, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Notice how the air feels as it moves in and out. Let each exhale release any tension, any thoughts, any distractions. With every breath, allow yourself to relax even deeper, feeling the weight of your body against the surface beneath you. Let's continue this for a few more moments. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Inhale, hold, exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale, letting go of any stress you may be carrying. Now that you're centered, let's begin to relax your body, starting from the top of your head. Gently bring your attention to your scalp, your forehead, your temples. Notice if there's any tension in these areas. If you find any, simply release it as you breathe out. Let your brow soften, your eyes relax. Feel the muscles around your eyes let go, releasing any tightness. Move your focus down to your cheeks, your jaw. Let your jaw unclench, your lips relax, and your tongue rest comfortably in your mouth. Now feel your neck and shoulders. Imagine the weight of the world lifting off your shoulders with each breath. Let any tension melt away as you relax deeper into the surface below you. Move your attention to your arms. Start with your upper arms, then your elbows, forearms, wrists, and hands. Let your arms feel heavy, completely relaxed and at ease. Now shift your awareness to your chest. Feel the rise and fall of your breath. Gentle and steady. Let your heart feel light, free of stress, full of peace. Let this sense of relaxation spread down your body into your stomach, your hips, and your thighs. Feel the muscles release with each breath. Now bring your attention to your knees, your lower legs, and your feet. Let go of any remaining tension. Allow your feet to feel warm, grounded, and completely at rest. Take a moment to check in with your body. How does it feel? Notice the calm, the stillness. Let your entire body feel supported, relaxed, and at ease. Now we're going to move into a state of deep rest. Your body knows exactly how to relax and how to rest without effort. Trust in this process. Imagine a wave of relaxation flowing from the top of your head all the way down to your toes. As this wave flows, it takes away any remaining tension. You feel lighter and more at peace. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. Simply notice the thoughts and then gently bring your focus back to your breath, to the sensation of relaxation moving through your body. As you rest here, you're giving your body and mind the opportunity to recharge, just like a restful nap. You don't need to sleep to rest deeply. You are simply giving yourself the space to rejuvenate. Let the stillness deepen with every breath. Now that you are relaxed, imagine yourself in a peaceful, safe place. This could be a calm beach, a quiet forest, or a peaceful garden. Wherever you feel most at ease. See the colors, hear the sounds, and feel the sensations of this place. Feel the warmth of the sun, the cool breeze, or the softness of the earth beneath you. Allow this peaceful place to envelop you, to calm you even further. In this place, you are completely relaxed, free from any worries. Let your body soak in the peace, the tranquility, the stillness. Stay in this space for as long as you like. Know that each passing moment, your body is resting deeply, recharging itself and rejuvenating. When you're ready, gently begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch your body gently, and slowly open your eyes if they were closed. Take a moment to notice how you feel. You may feel more relaxed, more centered, and more at ease. Know that this sense of deep rest is always available to you whenever you need it. You can return to this practice whenever you want to release stress, relax, and restore your energy. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Take a deep breath in and out.